Most automation today runs on two rails, RPA and APIs. RPA, robotic process automation, is basically screen replay. It watches what a person does and repeats it. Click here, copy that, paste it, fill this form. That's why it's powerful. It can automate work even when there is no API because it doesn't need integration. It just needs the interface. But there is the catch. RPA is obedient, not adaptable. It works as long as the world stays exactly the same. Think of a bot that logs into a reporting site every morning, clicks through a few pages, downloads the daily report, pulls a couple numbers and drops them into Excel. Great, until the site changes a menu, moves a button, adds a new step, or renames a field. A human adjusts without thinking. The bot hits a wall because it memorizes the path, not the intent. APIs are the opposite. They don't imitate clicks. They move data directly between systems. When the connection exists, it's clean and reliable. A candidate applies on a hiring platform and instantly their name, resume, and contact details appear inside the company's HR database. No email chains, no downloads, no copy-paste. The data just flows. But APIs only work when the bridge is already built. If that hiring site isn't connected to your internal system, nothing moves. The application still happens, but the data goes nowhere. And that's the gap most teams live in. Work that's too messy for clean integrations and too brittle for scripted bots. So people end up doing the same thing over and over, pulling info from websites, moving it into spreadsheets, and stitching tools together manually. Now there is a tool that claims it tackles that gap differently, TuriX AI Agent. TuriX AI Agent is an intelligent automation operation, a computer use agent that helps automate tasks across different applications and systems. Instead of predefined integrations of fragile scripts, TuriX positions itself as an agent that operates software the way a human would, but driven by your intent. You describe the outcome in plain language, and it attempts to navigate apps, extract data, and complete the task end-to-end, adapting as interfaces change instead of stopping. The claim isn't help. It's execution, replacing manual work and traditional RPA without flow charts, technical setup, or constant maintenance. So the real question is simple. Does it hold up in real workflows? Let's make this concrete with a few everyday situations, the kind that look small but quietly eat hours. Grabbing information from a website, moving it into another tool, and organizing it so it's actually usable. In each case, it starts the same way. You describe what you want done, and the system takes it from there. All right, let's dive deep. Let's start with the first use case, moving data between tools. There's a kind of work that looks harmless in the moment, but it quietly taxes your day. You open a website, copy a few rows, paste them into a spreadsheet, fix the formatting, then you do it again tomorrow, and the next day, and the day after that. And suddenly, you've spent hours doing nothing. Of course, figuratively speaking. It's not difficult, it's just draining, and it steals momentum. With TuriX Agent, that manual loop can disappear. You give it a simple instruction like, copy this specific information and put it into my sheet. And it handles the steps for you. Take a look at the screen. This is the perfect example of work that's too small to justify building a proper integration, but too repetitive to keep doing by hand. It lives in that awkward middle zone, and that's exactly where TuriX is aiming. Now let's look at a second use case, extracting information from modern websites. The website is human first by design. Yes, automation is something we layered on afterward. Pages load dynamically, content shifts, buttons move, layouts change, which is why so many scraping tools feel brittle They don't understand what's on the screen. They just follow rigid rules until the rules stop by matching reality. TuriX agent takes a different angle. You tell it what you want and it tries to get it done in the same environment you already work in, the browser. So instead of manually hunting through pages, you can ask it to do things like find marketing roles at top-tier companies and return a clean summary, or scan X or LinkedIn for specific mentions when you're trying to capture expert opinions in real time. The task changes, the interface changes, but your intent stays the same, and that's the point. Across all these examples, the pattern is consistent. The work isn't complicated. It's just stuck between tools, websites, and systems in ways that make it painful to automate cleanly. It's often too messy for APIs, too fragile for traditional RPA, and too repetitive to keep doing manually. TuriX is built around a different idea. Software should be used the way people already use it. Instead of wiring systems together or scripting every click, you start with intent. You described what you want done and the system handles the navigation, the extraction, and the execution across apps and websites. And that shift matters. It reduces your dependence on fragile integrations, stays more resilient when interfaces change, and pushes beyond assistance into actual execution, taking on the repetitive steps that usually sit between your tools and quietly waste your time. If you want to explore the computer use agent in more detail or ask technical questions, the TuriX GitHub project is linked in the description. To try TuriX yourself, sign up using the link in the description. You can test it, explore the product, and see how it fits into your own workflows. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Give it a try and tell me what you think in the comments. I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.